We had an explosion. A building collapsed. Could it be a terrorist act? Yes.
One of the challenges we face in a training exercise is making it realistic. And surprising to me as the fire chief was how realistic this incident turned out to be. Live fire, smoke, collapse, all of the components that provided a challenge to us. That's what made it a great training event.
Even though people know it's a training exercise, they don't know what they're going to walk into. When you prepare and plan an exercise like this, you don't know exactly how the actors and actresses are going to act. You don't know their reactions, so some of it's a surprise to everybody, which makes it all that more real. An exercise like that literally took years to put together.
There was a core group of planners for this Black Cat exercise.
Do you agree? Turn this into the fire?
The county emergency management had some grant money available. It did start with Mound Public Safety, initiated it. We brought resources from the Metropolitan Collapse Rescue Team, the bomb squad, all of them to Mound on this event.
We're very lucky in the Lake Minnetonka area in that our police departments meet monthly as emergency managers. We practice together, we exercise together. It doesn't matter how big your agency is, we need to count on each other for mutual aid. You staff your police department or your fire department for everyday business, and when the big one happens, you count on your partners to come in and help.
Squeeze my hands. Squeeze.
Almost all of the responders that went from the different agencies had almost no information about what they were getting. It was very important to us to keep them from knowing. The value in that is the training component. If they knew everything that was going to happen and everything that they were dealing with before they left here, it would not be nearly as effective of training.
You logically work through it as the information comes to you or as you're able to gather information. One of the first things you do to try to make a scene safe is establish a perimeter. And that perimeter to keep people out, to try to keep the scene as organized from a response perspective as we can.
Hennepin County, many of the metropolitan counties have greatly improved their radio communication systems. We can talk to every agency in the county. The Black Cat event gave us a really good opportunity to test that.
Division 3 right there.
You learn something communications-wise from each of these exercises, and you can use that going forward.
We need water.
Firefighters absolutely love to use their training skills. This type of event is very rewarding for them because they have an opportunity to practice what they've learned.
I want my people to be safe, so I want to see that when the officers are first going to the scene, that they're looking at scene safety as priority one. I need to train and be ready for it, and so do my people, and so do all public safety officials. So that's why we train. The public counts on us.
It was just one more training tool that our department, police department, all these other agencies have increased our abilities to respond to a large-scale incident. Our staff is much more trained, better trained, more diversified than ever, and we're ready